I'm always worried. All the time I don't feeling I'm safe here.
We had to repeat in Chinese, in quote, "Long live Xi Jinping," and in quote, "Lenience for those who repent and the punishment for those who resist." Anyone who could not memorize a book of slogans and rules within 14 days would be denied food or beaten. Each time I was electrocuted, my whole body would shake violently, and I could feel the pain in my veins. I thought I would rather die than go through this torture. I begged them to kill me.